it's Hirsch, and today I'm going to be doing a huge stationery haul of things that I received from Stationery Pal and creating some fashion studies using them. Before I get started, I'd like to say a huge thank you to Stationery Pal for sponsoring today's video. Stationery Pal is an online website-based brand that sells stationery items ranging from pens to tote bags. Since it is holiday season, Stationery Pal has multiple sales and giveaways going on. You'll receive a gift from a purchase of any amount and have the chance to win a free iPhone 15 with your order. They also provided the code SPACE50 for 50% off selected items and the code Hershey draws for 18% off selected items. The links to their website will be in the description as well as a referral link, and they also decided to help me host a giveaway, so stay tuned till the end to hear details regarding that. So starting off with the unboxing, as usual, Stationery Pal popped off with the packaging this time. It's very green and cottagecore themed, which I love, especially the little rose sticker, and as usual they gave a bunch of confetti in the box. I received this cute little thank you card as always, and after moving the confetti a little bit to the side, I found some freebies such as this little pink bear, this gray wolf looking thing, as well as this chromie clip, and I have a matching My Melody one from the last haul, which I love to use, which you've probably seen me use in a lot of my videos. I decided to move the rest of the confetti actually out of the way to reveal some more freebies. I got this cute little astronaut keychain, which I absolutely love, and I also got this little fox and this ornament that I'm looking forward to putting on my tree for Christmas this year. I got this red Hello Kitty themed clip that matches the My Melody and chromie one that I was showing earlier, as well as this green looking cat and the small dinosaur toy, which I find super adorable. I also got this super soft duck keychain. I actually been eyeing this for a really long time and it's seriously so adorable. I've been wanting more keychains on my backpack for a while now and I've been wanting to build my collection, so I just decided to purchase this one and it's seriously so soft. Moving on, I also got a bunch of washi tapes. What else is new? I got this My Melody pink one, this basic checkerboard themed one, this black one with stars on it, and this denim very Y2K themed one. I also got a new set of pens. They're these pastel like sweet milk juice pens, I believe they're called, and I picked them because they had pastel colors, which I really love, especially when I'm using them in my sketchbook. Anyways, they came with I think 6 colors, and here's a closer look at the pens. I thought I would also swatch them in one of the books that I'll be unboxing later on in this video, but while I do that, I did want to talk a little bit about the giveaway that I mentioned earlier. So Stationery Pal has decided to sponsor this giveaway for you guys, and for it to be entered into the giveaway, you have to be subscribed to this channel, Hershey Draws, and Stationery Pal's channel, which will be linked in the description. Also, make sure to mention your favorite product from this haul and link to their favorite product from their website if you want. Also, make sure to use the word stationery in all caps in your comment to be entered officially, and I'll announce the winner on my community tab and reach out via Instagram or email depending on what you're comfortable with. Anyways, once again, thank you so much to Stationery Pal for hosting this giveaway, and let's get back into the actual video. So they also gave this huge tote bag which had the cutest design ever, but I was a bit confused initially because I didn't remember ordering this, but let's unbox it. So while opening it, I was going through so much shock because I realized that they sent this as a gift. Seriously, thank you so much to the sweet people over at Stationery Pal for literally making my week with this gift. It's seriously so cute and it comes with so many cute things. For starters, this cute white fluffy towel with Stationery Pal embroidered onto it. I love it, it's super aesthetic. Speaking of aesthetic, this pencil case, which I was actually eyeing and thinking of buying for this haul, and they literally read my mind with this, and the design is so cute and aesthetic, and it also has so much storage space inside. It's also super soft and it feels like you're holding a cloud in a way. I absolutely love it, as well as the color itself. They also gave these crayons, which are super cute and colorful and super vibrant, and also these calligraphy pens. I absolutely love calligraphy, especially during holiday season, because I always go out super detailed with the cards, so I definitely will be using these a lot more, especially for like people's birthdays. I also received these 2 tattoo sets of flowers and like these little phrases and this note. I did end up like unboxing this whole bag like a little bit out of order. I believe I was meant to open this note and then the other comes next first, but I absolutely love this note. It was so sweet of them to send this to me. Again, thank you so much to Stationery Pal. I also got this little card set with the supplies and how best to use them and market them, which I thought was really cool, especially with the way that they displayed everything. I absolutely love this and I will definitely be using it more in the future. I also received these clear sticky notes, which I will definitely be using for my chemistry notes this year, and these cool highlighter underlining pens. They come with a highlighter and an underliner, and on the other side there's also another pen tip, so you can like choose whether you want to do highlighting, underlining, or both. It's very much of like a 2-in-1 or 3-in-1 product, which I think is super cool. Moving on, I also did receive this brown canvas notebook. It's size A5 and it is grid lined, and you can never have too many notebooks in your collection, so I definitely wasn't mad about it. And Stationery Pal also sent out this little mug, which is definitely the cutest decoration ever. I'm really looking forward to putting it on my desk or on my bookshelf as a little decoration piece, but I absolutely love it. It's so adorable and I love the little bear design. Anyways, moving back to the haul, they also sent these deco stickers and these bear stickers, which are astronaut themed. A lot of the things in this video are very outer space themed, which you'll see. I also got these flower crystal stickers, which I just had to like open up and show to you guys because they're so pretty. They're like somewhat translucent, but also the color still shows through, and I'm definitely looking forward to using them in my sketchbook or on like white paper. I also finally got the Starry Night sticker set. This is like one of their most popular sticker sets, and for good reason, because I've been eyeing this for so long and I finally had a chance to get it, and all the stickers are so cute. I especially like this big one that I'm showing you right now just because it like encapsulates the whole painting, and I can't wait to use it on my sketchbooks. Moving on to more washi tapes, I got this blue stamp washi tape that's very much like royal, imperial, and antique vibes, and another galaxy washi tape, very much like a starry theme and going on in this video, as you can see. I also got a mechanical pencil. I feel like every time I do a haul I get one of these, and I just have to because their mechanical pencil collection is seriously so cute and unique, and this one reminds me of Red Velvet Cake for some reason. Anyways, this is a 0.5 size, and I also got this Muji gel pen, which I've heard a lot of good things about, so I am definitely looking forward to using it for my little pen doodles during class. Next up are these 3 Tombow markers. I got blue, black, and beige. I always get Tombow markers during these hauls, and I've been trying to like expand my collection and the colors. And anyways, here's how they look. There's a brush tip and a bullet nib on the other side, so you can do calligraphy but also lettering. I also got this purple mechanical pencil from Tombow as a gift for my friend. This is your sign to start Christmas shopping, and what better to get your art friends than Stationery. Moving on, I got these Pilot juice pens, which are definitely super vibrant, and they very much contrast to the milk set, which is very pastel, that I showed you guys earlier. Anyways, here's a closer look. They're in the 0.5 size, and I thought that I'd swatch these out for you guys. So there are 6 total colors that are super cute and saturated. I definitely want to use these more in my sketchbook spreads, and I've definitely been getting back into like pen doodles or drawings again, so I'm definitely looking forward to using all the stuff that I got in this video. Moving on, I got these latte coffee themed stickers. I feel like my collection of drink stickers is just endless at this point, as well as another star washi tape. What a surprise. I also got these sticky notes, and they're super cute. I definitely love them. They're one of my favorite things from this haul because they are bakery themed. So the package itself, which you'll see here, you have to open it like the top part like you're opening a pastry or something, and I found that super cute. I definitely love Stationery Pal's packaging so much because it just makes the experience of opening the actual supply itself just as good as using the supply. Anyways, these are sticky notes, but like the entire backside is sticky, so they're basically stickers, I guess, but you're meant to write on them or like write labels on them. Here are some examples. And moving on, I also got these purple rabbit stickers, which I feel like I get every time. Like I always get like some sort of rabbit themed sticker, as well as these pink flower stickers because the art style is actually adorable. I just caved and had to get it. I also got these Sakura stickers, which are very like vintage cottagecore themed, and this foldable pen holder. I remember ordering it, but when I saw it during the haul, like by that point I kind of forgot what it was, so I was confused for a hot minute before realizing that it was the one holder cup. Assembling it was pretty easy, and it's on my desk right now, and I'm using it to store the new pens and pencils that I got in this video. And I'm also working on a colored pencil realism portrait for an art competition, so I'm keeping all the colors that I'm using in there just to be more organized. But I definitely love the design. It's super cute and it matches my aesthetics so well. I also got this notebook, which is what I'm going to be swatching the pens on throughout this video. I'm also going to be doing fashion studies in this notebook, but here's a closer look at it. Again, it is constellation, like outer space theme. It's very cute, and I love the sleek black look. And on the sides, they actually have little like constellations on, which I believe is super cute. And the pages are just like completely blank, which makes it perfect for like sketching or writing or basically anything. It's very versatile. First off, let's put away all these stationery and let's get on to the next part of the video. Drawing time. I have been pretty busy with school, and I also decided to do another portrait piece using colored pencils, which is so time consuming. Literally every time I do another colored pencil portrait, I always ask myself why I'm doing this because it takes so much time. But overall I haven't had time to doodle like my silly little characters yet, but this is a great way to warm up my hands after not drawing for a bit. I scrolled on Pinterest and found some references to use, and I picked a pose and outfit for each of the characters. By the way, I'm doing 2 total. This is the first one, and the second one I'll be starting soon. This was meant to be more of an outfit study or like a clothing study, I guess, so I didn't focus too much on the facial features. Definitely not running away from my responsibilities, what do you mean? I tried drawing in the face afterwards, but my art was not arting at the time, guys, so I just erased it and left it as it is, and it doesn't even look that bad after I finished adding in all the doodles at the end. Also, comment down below what I should use this journal for, because every time I shop at Stationery Pal, I always get a new journal, like every single time, and even though I already have so many unfilled ones, my collection just keeps on going, and I have so many now that I need to figure out what to do with all of them. I was thinking of filling it up with like OC sketches or storyline ideas, or maybe like thumbnails for my OC animatics I was planning, but I don't know, comment down below what you think I should do with it. After using this light pink pen for the base sketch, I used blue and purple colors to push the shadows more and add some more colors. Definitely my favorite color combination at the moment are these three colors, but I feel like I am slowly transitioning over to like a teal and orange piece through my colored pencil piece that I was talking about earlier. Also, happy December. Holiday season is in full swing, and I'm really excited to post Christmas themed content this year because last year I didn't have time to do anything. I have also been pretty good with posting every week, and I think I want to live stream soon, either this week or next week, just to catch up with you guys since it's been a while. Anyways, as the drawing finishes up, I added some doodles on the sides to fill in the space, and I wrote fashion study at the bottom with... Anyways, this came out super cute and I absolutely love it. Thank you guys so much for watching till the end, and I hope you enjoyed. Remember again to enter the giveaway and use the discount codes that Stationery Pal provided. Once again, thank you so much to Stationery Pal for sponsoring today's video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!